Welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to connect GoHighLevel to Zapier, full 2026 guide. This connection allows you to automate tasks between GoHighLevel and thousands of other apps, helping you save time and streamline your workflow. First, open your browser and go to the Zapier website, then log in to your Zapier account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click Create Zap to start building a new automation. The first step is choosing a trigger app. This is the app that starts the automation. For example, you might select Google Forms if you want a new form submission to automatically send data to GoHighLevel. After selecting the trigger app, choose a trigger event. A common option is New Form Submission, which tells Zapier to run the automation whenever someone submits a form. Next, Zapier will ask you to connect the trigger app and select the specific form or data source you want to monitor. Follow the prompts and test the trigger to make sure Zapier can detect the incoming data. Now it's time to add the Action app, which is where the data will go. Search for Lead Connector, which is the official app used to connect GoHighLevel with Zapier. Select it as your Action app. After selecting Lead Connector, choose the Action event. One of the most commonly used events is Create or Update Contact, which allows Zapier to automatically add new leads to your GoHighLevel CRM. Next, you'll be prompted to connect your GoHighLevel account. Log in using your GoHighLevel credentials and authorize Zapier to access your account. Once connected, Zapier will ask you to select the GoHighLevel sub-account where the data should be sent. Choose the correct sub-account from the drop-down list. After that, you'll need to map the data fields. This means matching the information from your trigger app, such as name, email, or phone number, to the corresponding fields inside GoHighLevel. When the field mapping is complete, run a test action to confirm that the data successfully transfers into your GoHighLevel account. If the test works correctly, simply click Publish or turn on the Zap. Your automation will now run automatically whenever the trigger event happens. And that's it. You've successfully connected GoHighLevel to Zapier and created an automated workflow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy step-by-step tutorials.